How to find account ID in Quotex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are on Quotex and trying to find your account ID but you don't know where it is, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the Quotex app or website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top left corner from the home page. You'll then be able to see this expanded menu. Click on this account button and you'll be able to see your personal data tab. Here you will see your account ID in a long string of numbers. The number is your unique identity on Quotex. Your account ID is different from your email or username. This can be used for support and verification process. So that's how you can find your account ID in Quotex. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.